dun 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 dun. Holy shit! All right, so I'm gonna start this off with a bang. Yeah, I didn't expect to get this today because I was looking at it and I was just like, do I want to get it? Maybe not, but yeah, I got it. So we're gonna unbox this piece and see how it is. This is my first Razer product, so I don't know how this is gonna go. Apparently, according from the people at GameStop and other customers, they said it's a wonderful product. And if you go on their app, you could change the ways that this keyboard works. Like you could change the colors, you could change how it flashes colors. Like there's about a bunch of colors. I can't really tell. They said on the website. I don't know. Let's go ahead and unbox this piece. I've been waiting this entire day. I gotta close the memory card thing. Alright, so I'm gonna try this one-handed because I don't have a tripod with this. So, if you guys like these videos, make sure to hit that thumbs up. You don't have to, it's free. I just figured I'll do an unboxing of this because it says in my background that I unbox stuff, ignore my trash. A fat ass, I know. And yeah, let's get this started. Dun 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 dun. Oh wow. Got. Alright. So, nothing too impressive. Actually, JK. Ooh. This thing has some weight to it. Holy shit. Wow. That is really impressive. And what the hell is this? What the? Just one-handed? Ooh! Stickers! Holographic stickers! I'm gonna have to put these on my car if I get one. Yeah. Wow, they are really smancy. I honestly don't want to take them off. Oh well. I'll keep them on. So this basically tells you how the keyboard works. That's Japanese. That's it. That's Spanish. That's French. Okay, the English is on the front. I don't know who the hell this is. Min Lang Tang. That's the guy that created fucking Razer. Let me read some of this. Congratulations and welcome to the next level of gaming domination. On every battlefield it is imperative that you are armed with the most lethal combination of any arsenal. The mouse and the keyboard. Razer keyboards have been fine-tuned to deliver top-notch performance, so you can always bring your A game. But yada 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 yada. I'll let you guys read that. And sincerely, Min Lang Tang, the co-founder, CEO, and the founder director. Yeah. I'm gonna keep this box. This box honestly looks cool. I don't want to damage these stickers. Oh, rip. Oh well, let's get the. Yeah, let's throw you over here. Yeet! Alright. Oh god. Oh no. Dude, doing this one hand, it's so hard. Ugh. Okay, can I at least do this? Alright. Huh. That's weird. So anything special about this? Ooh, what the hell? Kickstand? Wait, there's two kickstands? What the shit? Oh, that's fancy. That's, oh, Oh my, wow, that feels really good to the touch. Holy crap. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this plugged in and show you guys how this works, so be right back. It is not plugged in yet, but I'm gonna plug it in on camera. Oh wait, what the hell? It has a cap on it? Oh, that's fancy as hell. It's even green. Alright, try to plug it in. Let's see if I can do it. That's probably the wrong way. Nope, that was the right way. Shit. This is horrible. Ugh. Ooh. That is what I call fancy. Wow. Jesus Christ. Gotta wipe some of this dust off. Wow. Focus. Okay. Oh wait, that's a pen. Oops. Alright, well, I'm gonna try to do this, so this has been the review. Well, I'm not gonna do a review, but this is the unboxing part. I'm gonna do a review on a separate one, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, I'm gonna work with this bitch and see how it goes. So, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to. Hit the like button, hit the notifications bell, because why not? And I'll see you guys at the review, so peace!